Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the second class of Social Science. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. We all might have learned this poem in our pre-primary classes and still wondering, what is a little star? Is it really a little one? Today, let's try to find an answer for this question. Let's begin our geography lesson 1, the Earth in the solar system. How wonderful is to watch the sky after sunset. The whole sky is filled with tiny, shiny objects. Some are bright and others are dim. They all appear to be twinkling, but if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do. They simply glow as the moon shines. Now, let's see what is a full moon and a new moon. You may have also seen the moon on most of the days. It may appear at different times, in different shapes, and at different positions. We can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. It is full moon night or Purnima. After a period of 2 weeks, we cannot see the moon at all. It is a new moon night or Amavasya. During this time, the night sky is clear. Children, have you ever thought why these tiny objects and moon cannot be seen during daytime? It's because the very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the night sky. Now let's see what are celestial bodies. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the sky are called celestial bodies. Some of them are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amounts. And these celestial bodies can be also called as stars. For example, the sun is a star. Last year in class 5, in environmental studies, you have learned who is an astronomer. So let's revise that again. A person who study the celestial bodies and their movements is an astronomer. Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer of ancient India. Celestial bodies are tiny. Now you tell me, true or false? Okay, the answer is false because the celestial bodies seen during night are similar to the sun, but we don't feel their heat or light, and they look so tiny because they are very far from us. For example, how small an aeroplane looks when it's flying at a great height. Actually, its size is very big. Similarly, celestial bodies are also big, but As it is very far from us, we cannot see the actual size. Now let's see what are constellations. Sometimes various patterns are formed by different groups of stars in the night sky. These are called constellations. It makes an imaginary shape in the night sky. An example, Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. Another one is Saptarishi. It is a group of 7 stars. And you can also see so many names in the given picture too. Also children, in ancient times, people used to determine direction during the night with the help of these stars. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also known as pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. Children, I hope you all are clear with the topics learned today. Let's do a quick revision. Today we have learned the bright light of the sun does not allow us to see the tiny objects in the night sky during daytime. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the sky are called celestial bodies. They are stars. For example, sun is a star. People who study about these celestial bodies are called astronomers. We cannot see the actual size of the celestial bodies from Earth as they are very far from us. The patterns formed by the different groups of stars are called constellation. Now I want you to write down the answers for these questions. I'll read it out for you. Why we cannot see many of the celestial bodies during daytime? What are celestial bodies? Name a famous astronomer of ancient India. Name 2 examples of constellations. Celestial bodies are seen smaller than that of their actual size. Why? I hope you'll be able to note down the answers. Thank you. Take care.